My name is Nathan Whinnery, and I am a professor of video game design here at AWC. I started in the gaming industry when I was 15. I worked on a mega build server in Minecraft for many years.
My name is Juan Reyna, and I am a student at AWC doing the video game development courses. What brought me to the video game courses was my passion for both video games and how they were made.
So the program is made up of 6 different certificates, and they are game design and development, programming concepts, art design, sound design, storyboard or storytelling, and you can get every certificate individually if you so choose. So here at AWC we start with theory, obviously, and then we get into some basic concepts like the programming of it. And then we get into a little bit of, you make your own games with strict rules. Once we get into that part, we slowly open it up to be more broad until you can publish your own games online by the end of the semester. Some of the software and technology we work with here is the Unity game engine, programming in C#, Blender, digital audio workspaces, a variety of 2D art and animation platforms.
What I like about the program is the knowledge that it gave me, the understanding of how a game is actually made compared to what I thought was made, the professor and the way he teaches, and the local students that contribute to helping me learn other things that I did not know.
Game design as a whole is very new. In the world. There's only a handful of even universities that offer game design, and yet we here at Arizona Western College are already offering it a little bit ahead of a lot of other places, which means that any students who take the classes and certificates are going to be at an advantage. They're going to be ahead of the curve.
I would recommend the development of video game courses simply because the classes are fun, they're interesting. It does things that I have not done in this college, even in other programming courses. It sounds difficult, but give it a try. It's fun.
If anyone is interested in video game design, Arizona Western's a great place to start.